Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how I did my scale build for C1 class competitions. The chassis is the CMX kit from MST. The first thing I changed was the tires and wheels. I put on my standard RC 4-wheel drive stamped steel wheels and thick Chepash 1.55 tires. As I wanted an interior, I had to swap the transmission because there was not enough room for an interior in stock form. To do this, you have to remove the transmission with the skid plate and turn it 180 degrees. I also removed the bumper and the battery tray to get better access. Just rotate it 180 degrees. Just remember, you also have to rotate the skid plate. The next step was to reconnect the motor with the ESC. Just a quick test run. Great. Let's see if the body fits. Looks good. Will there be enough room for an interior? We will see. After swapping the transmission, I also had to shorten the battery tray. Those 2200 mAh packs fit perfectly. As I wanted to use the stock front bumper from MST, I cut away the bumper from the body. Safety first. By the way, the body is from Tamiya. It's the cheap Wrangler YJ hard plastic body. The finished product. Next I built a pair of rock sliders from aluminum and axial parts. Also from aluminum is this unique body holder system I built. This will be the floor panel for the interior. Unfortunately, it will not be a full depth interior. The rear bumper is hijacked from my Vatera Ascender and shortened left and right. Indoor panels made from styrene. Driver and co-driver seats. Middle console. And here the finished painted interior. And my slightly depressed driver. Let's see the finished build in action.
fight out on me. On a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. And she said, do you come from a land down under? Where women glow and men glow. Can't you hear